incredibly proud here at Wolfson College to have played our part in tackling the climate crisis with the help of the Department of Business, Enterprise and Industrial Strategy and their partners Salix. In the last 12 months we've transformed our main estate from one of the worst carbon emitters in Oxford to an estate free of any fossil fuel heating. We couldn't have done this without the government grants and the assistance of Salix. Decarbonising Wolfson's estate is expected to save 24,000 tonnes of carbon being released into the atmosphere over the next 20 years. While there's always more work to be done to minimise our energy use, we believe that this first phase has had the biggest impact on carbon emissions that we're able to achieve. We hope we will set a good example to those yet to embark upon the journey, and our warm thanks to the consultants and contractors who've delivered this project on time and on budget despite all of the challenges over the last year, including COVID, spiralling inflation and supply issues. It's been a huge relief to turn off our enormous 50-year-old inefficient gas boilers and to know that all our heating and water now comes from our own air source heat pumps. It's been a tough project, but one we're enormously proud of. We've shown that we, and all of us, can decisively turn the tide on climate change.